Welcome to the second Xmo Strata Newscast. We cover news and analysis from the sign industry every quarter, but you can see more details of the stories we'll cover in the Xmo Strata online newsletter. If you haven't received a copy, you can find one on the company's website. Two canopy structural teams carrying out critical work at the Sherwell Valley Moto service station kept the job on schedule despite the snow of early March. Gilbarco crews had been called out to repair two pumps due to electrical faults, but reported that canopy leaks above several of the pumps may lead to further problems. Xmo Strata's site survey found that the 987 square metre canopy required 250 roof sheets, 222 foam fillers and 100 metres of ridge caps. Despite delays caused by the snow, the determined two-man teams finished the job on schedule and safely early April. The companies analysed the basic root causes of more than 1,500 safety observations in a proactive incident analysis programme. The research showed that whilst the industry is more professional in reporting data than 5 to 10 years ago, the recession has led to the use of cheaper components, meaning a shorter component lifespan and potentially greater costs in the long run. The research also highlighted a shift in emphasis from planned to reactive maintenance, meaning that companies were waiting for problems to emerge before fixing them, a trend that the report's authors say has obvious safety implications. The analysis will be used to inform safety strategies and briefings and to provide high-calibre advice to customers. Xmo Strata won the contract to install signage for the launch of Shell's new V-Power Nitro Plus generation of unleaded and diesel performance fuels. On 516 Shell sites over 12 days, crews removed existing 4x1 metre banners on fencing, replacing them with new banners. On 30 sites, they installed wall art, a specially designed frame and banner that can be tensioned like flex face. The crews quality checked that site operators had changed the pump labels correctly to avoid the risk of misfuels. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus is designed to work quickly on engine deposits, which can reduce performance and came about as a result of Shell's technical partnership with Ferrari. The decision to issue tablet computers to crews at the beginning of this year has been the subject of a company-wide review. The results? An all-round thumbs up. Customer crews and head office staff have all benefited from more efficient reporting on job progress, faster uploading of photographs and other communications issues. Job data is sent to the Xmo Man Management Information System and relevant sections are then posted on the customer portal, giving customers even faster access to information on their projects. Engineers mate Tom Slater, one of those that asked for his views, said the system required some getting used to and there were still some minor teething problems, but overall it made communications faster, simpler and more efficient. Managing Director Steve Martin said the statistics don't lie. Customers love the system and site operatives have been using it at the rate of 1,000 visits per month. We'll continue to invest in technology that makes us better at what we do. Now, if you haven't already seen this footage on the web, just enter unsafe window cleaner into Google and see what comes up. The Bath window cleaner and the firm he was cleaning windows for were fined after he worked outside the building several stories high with no concessions to safety. The video became a YouTube sensation. It's one of 8 examples of complacency in health and safety, highlighted by Xmo Strata's HSSC lead team in a detailed report published in the latest online newsletter. The report underlines the fact that complacency is a killer. The examples they give, including that of the risk-taking window cleaner, will form the basis of planned safety meetings over the next few weeks involving every employee. The report emphasises that anyone working on signage should adopt the POPMAR principle, covering policy, organisation, planning, monitoring, audit and review. The company has made 337 changes to its H&S manual, largely as a result of such reports. Of these, 27 have been made in 2013, along with 64 improvements to 11 safe systems of work protocols. The improvements are almost all attributed to direct input from site operatives. And finally, Xmo Strata has been in the awards again. It was presented with a Modulo Recognition Award from Artelia International at the Contractors Quarterly Review in June. And it was a finalist in not one but two sections of the Kent Business Awards. The company also won a Solid Performer Award at the SO Safety Day in May, an achievement swiftly followed by the granting of a 2-year extension to its 8-year contract with ABB and Exxon Mobil owners of the SO brand. The contract includes the maintenance of image and canopy structures on SO sites. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of our quarterly news programme, and we'd like to thank those of you who submitted feedback following the last one. For more details on these and other stories we don't have time to cover here, check out the online newsletter and on the company's website. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again next time. Goodbye, take care.